Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rani Iswara, NPM 192203118. I explain about the grammar of textual meaning them. And screen 2, table of content 1 to 6, and first, identification of them. Them is realized by what is placed in initial position within the clause, and this initial position gives the theme a special status within the clause. Nah, jadi tema selalu ditempatkan di posisi awal dalam suatu klausa. Nah, second, them is the glue that structure and bind the ideational and interpersonal meaning. Tema juga mengikat suatu ide dan makna antar pribadi. Nah, yang ketiga, in studies of them is children writing and in writing in the workplace. The choice and representation of them is seen as a crucial element related to the success of a text. Martin and al. Nah, jadi menurut Martin and al. Di sini tema itu dipandang sebagai elemen penting yang terkait dengan keberhasilan sebuah teks. And the next screen, 3 meta function. First, ideational, construing a model of experience, atau membangun model pengalaman. Second, interpersonal, enacting social relationship, melakukan hubungan sosial. And the last, textual, creating relevant to context, atau menciptakan relevansi dengan konteks. The next, textual metafunction, jump and rhyme. A message structure in English is comprised of a jump plus a rhyme. Jadi dari struktur teks atau pesan dalam bahasa Inggris itu komponennya terdiri dari tema dan rima. Theme is realized by what is placed in initial position within the clause, and this initial position give the theme a special status within the clause. Nah, jadi tema itu biasanya ditempatkan di posisi awal dalam suatu klausa. And rhyme is everything that is not theme. Jadi rima itu bukan tema. It is the part of the clause where the theme is developed. Holiday 1909-37. Nah, jadi menurut si Holiday ini, rima itu suatu teks yang mengembangkan suatu tema dalam suatu klausa. Nah, example them and rhyme. Jadi di sini ada suatu contoh, suatu kalimat, the problem require continue vigilance. The problem itu termasuk ke tema. Dan require continue vigilance itu termasuk rhyme. Karena mengembangkan dari si tema ini gitu. Temanya kan masalah gitu. Nah, require continue itu sebuah pengembangan dari suatu masalah ini. Seperti itu. Oke, next screen. Function of theme. Theme enhances the understanding of language at various levels. Ada klausa, text, and gender. Klausa Term help in understanding the starting point of the message. And text term help us understand the way in which the message is organized, and it is a major device that help us understand a text as coherence. And the gender term help us understand some of the generic convention which exist in a given gender. For example, Coffin 1997 to 189 cities should favor theme choice such as one major epoch of World War II, another epoch of the war, a third consequence of the war as favor theme of a history text. Jadi tema ini sangat membantu dari suatu klausa teks ataupun gender. The next screen, pattern of term choice, marked and unmarked theme. Markedness refers to the way words are changed or added to keep a special meaning. The unmarked case is just the normal meaning. The marked theme as three main context frames for this purpose: conjunctive or modal adjunct, and conjunction, prepositional and adverbial phrases, and subordinate clause and non-finite clause. Goes then 1992, and the next screen, term and level of textual structure. A thematic structure is a preoccupying conception of a proposition which runs throughout a media text, usually around an inciting topic. It strategically ties together a number of more specific conceptions or statements on the basis of particular social form of knowledge and social form of perception and belief. The last conclusion, term and rhyme analysis is an area that has attracted the attention of some scholars. The basic premise is that sentence consists of them which present noun, context-dependent information, and rhyme which present new, context-independent information. Because they represent new information, it is rhyme rather than theme which pass text development forward. Nah, jadi kalimat itu terdiri dari tema yang menyajikan informasi yang diketahui tergantung konteks, dan rima juga menyajikan informasi baru yang independen konteks. Nah, rima itu mendorong supaya tema itu bisa berkembang. Seperti itu mungkin. And thanks for listening. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.